Subordination is not inferiority. Subordination has its roots in the very cohesion of the Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Hebrews 2 verse 9, but we do see Jesus, who was made a little inferior to the angels for a little while. We see in the Bible that Jesus was made inferior to the angels, but that does not mean that Jesus was worth less than the angels. Inferiority does not mean inferior worth. Women's worth is not inferior to men's worth. In Proverbs 31 verse 10, it says that a woman is worth far more than rubies. In God's eyes, a woman's worth is equal to the worth of wisdom. In Proverbs 4, God tells us that the gender of wisdom is female. Proverbs 4 verse 7 and 8. Wisdom is supreme, so acquire wisdom. Exalt her, and she will promote you. Embrace her, and she will honor you. In Proverbs 8 verse 11, God compares a woman's worth to the worth of wisdom. Proverbs 8 verse 11. Wisdom is far more valuable than rubies. Proverbs 31 verse 10. A woman is worth far more than rubies. And then in Proverbs 8 verse 22. Wisdom herself is speaking here, saying, I, wisdom, was with the Lord when he began his work, long before he made anything else. Nowhere in the Bible is the worth of a man, a male person, compared to the worth of wisdom. This is how our Creator sees women and their worth.